Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys this wig from Gorgeous Hair. This is their Afro curly tapered fringe cut wig, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like straight out of the package and how I get these really pretty wash and go styled curls. So if you want to see how I got this wig like this, just keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So as you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be doing a wig review slash like install. I'm just going to jump right into it. This wig is not a wig that you're going to need to lay any lace or anything down with. You don't have to slay any baby hairs. You don't have to do any of that. So we can kind of just jump right into it. So the wig came in this box here from Gorgeous, which is how I'm pronouncing it. I'm not sure if that's correct, but that's how I've been pronouncing it, from Gorgeous Hair. And I love this box. I think it looks so pretty. I like the iridescentness of the box. I think it looks really nice. Of course, I already opened my box. I was going to wait until I got on camera to do it, and I probably should have, but I was just so excited. I did make a TikTok. Follow me on TikTok if you guys are not already following me, but I did make a TikTok of me unboxing everything, and I should have recorded it for YouTube too, but I was just so excited. Whatever. But it came in this box, and it did come with like a little pack of supplies. It came with like bobby pins and an edge control brush, comb thing, some clips, some clips, and a pair of tweezers. So all of that came in this little package here with all of the little, like, just extra pieces that you're gonna need when you're putting your wigs and stuff together. Then it also came with wig caps. I'm gonna keep them. I don't really use wig caps when I'm putting my wigs on. I very rarely touch them, but I don't know why I'm getting in this feeling of wanting to do like the bald cap method with one of my wigs. I don't know, that's a side note, but it did come with a wig cap if you needed one. You guys should know me by now. I'm a do-rag under the wig type of girl, so I already have a do-rag on under this wig, and so we're just gonna take this wig off, and then I'm gonna show you guys the wig. So I was gonna take the wig off to show you guys, but I'm like, let me just show it to you on the wig head. Like I said, I already made a TikTok video of the unboxing and like putting it on and stuff, but I have not washed the hair, added any product or anything to it. I kind of wanted to wait for the YouTube video to do that. Anyway, so this is the wig. This is her right here. She is giving very much natural hair. She's giving type 4 hair, real curls, all of that. And she is full. I'm still working on the shape, but you guys can see the texture. And then it has like this cute little bang thing that I'm still trying to like learn how to play around with. I don't really do the whole bang thing, but it's fun to play. So let's take this wig off and put this one on. All right, so as you guys can see, I have my do-rag on. I literally always am in this thing. And so now we're just gonna take the wig off. Let me show you guys the makeup, the construction of this wig, just in case that, you know, is a deciding factor for some people. So it has, and I don't know why, but I always call this the grandma style, because this like flower lace is very like old to me. So whatever, I call it the grandma lace for these kind of, this pattern. But it has this lace here, and then it has a clip here on this side, and then another clip on this side, this one here, and then one down here, this one, and then this one. So you get 4 clips, as well as, this is like my favorite part, but this like securing strap that kind of goes on the back of the head to make sure that nothing moves. I love that because it really kind of helps keep it down. Be careful though, sometimes it can kind of make your wig feel kind of tight, but for the most part it's really just there like to secure. You can always cut and add like some pieces in there to make it fit your head a little bit better, but I really like it. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this wig on. All right, so this is what she's looking like just straight on. I have not really messed with the wig that much after doing the unboxing on TikTok, so we can kind of style it together here now. Yeah, so I'm gonna go grab a couple of things and I'll be right back and we can kind of style this wig up some. All right guys, so I just went and got a couple of things, and I got things that I would put on my natural hair if I was doing like a refreshed wash and go, whatever, I don't know. So I just got some clips. I got some of these and these. I got some water in a spray bottle. I got a brush, and this is a brush that's really good to work with really tight coils because the brush will move with the hair as opposed to pulling against. I got some mousse. This is like my favorite mousse to use ever on wigs. My natural hair is my favorite. And then I got a leave-in conditioner. All right, so I'm gonna just, I don't know, I'm just gonna section off the bang. I don't know, that's the part that's giving me the most anxiety working with. So I'm just gonna section this off and, you know, do the best I can. And guys, I'm just treating this like I would my natural hair, like working with a section that is big enough or small enough to really get the product in and to get definition and moisture, all that good stuff. All right guys, so now I'm just taking some water and I'm just spraying it generously. I'm not making the hair like too wet, but I don't want it to be like dry or anything. Then I'm taking some of the curl defining cream and just kind of working those two products together as I normally would like my natural hair until I feel like the product is pretty much worked all the way through. All right, now I'm gonna take my brush and just start brushing through the ends. All right, now I'm gonna take the mousse. And I took about 3 full pumps and I'm just going to run that in the hair. Probably take a little bit more and just same thing. Running it all throughout. All right guys, so now I'm just taking the mousse and I'm kind of like finger detangling it. And then once I feel like I have the curls like clumped together really nicely, you know, after brushing it and working it through with my hands, I'm gonna take a little bit more mousse to kind of like seal everything in. And then I'm going to start like, I guess the shingling method, where I'm taking clumps of curls or each individual curl and just like running it through my finger to make sure it is perfectly coiled. And I'm doing that to each section throughout my entire head, this same exact process that you see me doing here, just kind of taking a piece and curling the end and letting it go. All right guys, so I have done most of the hair. I just haven't done the bang. I just wanted to show you guys what everything is looking like so far. You can see I have a little bit more movement. So I'm just gonna do the same thing to the bang in the front of the hair and just go from there. Alright guys, so I'm trying to make sure it's like on. I don't like how, like, I said it before, I'm not a fan of bangs and they're not really my thing, especially curly ones. So I'm trying to see how I'm even gonna style this. Like, I have the curls defined and I think they look pretty good, but in terms of like styling it on my head, that's where I'm drawing a blank. So I'm honestly thinking I'm gonna leave it like this and just let it air dry, and then, you know, do my makeup and kind of see where it's at from there. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let it air dry for about, I would give it another 30-45 minutes, because it doesn't feel wet. Aside from these two sections in the bang, it doesn't feel wet. It just feels like product is on my hair. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it doesn't feel like wet, you know what I mean? But I can definitely feel it's not dry. Like, it's definitely not dry. Maybe I should cut some of these layers. No, let me let it air dry completely first, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what the final look looks like, and then we can kind of just play from there. All right guys, welcome back. So this is the hair about I want to say about 90 to 95% dry. It's pretty much dry, but there's like certain little areas in the hair that I can still feel a little bit of dampness. But this is the hair completely done. This section here is 100% dry, and this is what the curls are looking like. So I'm thinking it looks really natural. Like, if you didn't watch this video and you didn't know me, you would probably think this was coming straight out of my head. So this was such an easy install, you guys. By the time I finished like styling everything and like doing all the wash and go, whatever, it didn't really take much to put this on. Literally, I just took it and put it on. You don't have to do any edges or anything, and you can't even see mine under here. Granted, my edges were done because I had on a different wig before, but if you're the kind of girl that you don't like to do edges, you don't have to do them, because as soon as you put this wig on, you can't see anything. Like, it's kind of no point. I did not experience any excessive shedding with this hair. All of the hair that shed was from me just combing and brushing it out, and it was not a lot of hair that came out. So I was very happy with the amount of shedding that I got, because it was very minimal. But yeah, all in all, this is the wig, and she is extremely natural. All right guys, that's the end of this video. If you like this video, go ahead and like this video, leave me a comment below and say hello, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It really helps me and my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.